Hello friends, in this video lecture we will see different modes of data communication. The data communication can also be referred as data transmission. Here in data communication, data flow occurs in three different modes. First one is simplex communication mode or simply a simplex mode. Second is half duplex communication mode or half duplex mode. Third is full duplex communication mode or full duplex or duplex. Let's see all these one by one. First one is simplex mode. In simplex mode, communication is unidirectional as on one-way street. That is like a one-way traffic. In this mode, only one of the two devices on link can transmit, other can only receive, means either sender or can receiver. For example, keyboards and traditional monitors. Keyboard can only introduce input as a one-way communication and monitor can only accept output, which is also one-way communication. Simplex mode can use the entire capacity of the channel to send the data in one direction. Here in this diagram, we can see there is sender A wants to send data to receiver B. So in this type of communication, the flow of data is unidirectional, that is from A to B, not from B to A. Means A can send data to B only. B cannot send any data to A, not even acknowledgement. Means there is no acknowledgement, no response from B to A. This type of communication is purely unidirectional communication. Let's see advantages of simplex mode. Simplex mode is easy mode of communication as there is a single channel is used for sending data from sender to receiver. This simple mode is reliable mode of communication. Simplex mode is most cost effective mode as it only requires one-way channel. There is a simple communication process as there is no need for coordination between the transmitter and the receiver. Simplex mode is particularly useful in situations where feedback or response is not required, such as broadcasting or surveillance. Disadvantages of simplex mode. In using simplex mode, only one-way communication is possible. There is no way to verify if the transmitted data has been received correctly at the receiver end because there is no response from receiver to sender or there is no acknowledgement from receiver to sender. Simplex mode is not suitable for applications that require bidirectional communication, that is two-way communication. It is purely designed for the unidirectional communication or one-way communication. Next mode is half duplex mode. In half duplex mode, each station can both transmit and receive data but not at the same time. When one device is sending, other device can only receive the data, or second device is sending the data, then first device has to receive the data. So that is the half duplex mode. It is like one-way road with traffic allowed in both the direction. In this half duplex mode, entire capacity of channel is taken over by whichever of the two devices is transmitting at the same time, either sender or the receiver. Example is walkie-talkie system. we use half duplex mode is used in cases where there is no need for communication in both the direction at the same time. And in this system, entire capacity of the channel can be utilized for each direction. And in half duplex mode, channel capacity equals to bandwidth into propagation delay. Here you can have diagram of half duplex mode. There is sender A sending data to receiver B, and after some time that B, which is now sender, sends data to A. Means A can send data to receiver B at time t1, and after some time that B, which is now sender, can send data to receiver A. So both sender and receiver can transmit and receive the data, but not at the same time. That is half duplex communication. Means there is a bidirectional communication or two-way communication, but not at the same time. Advantages of half duplex mode. Half duplex mode allows for bidirectional communication, which is useful in situations where devices need to send and receive data. It is more efficient mode of communication than simplex mode, as the channel can be used for both transmission and reception. Means sender and receiver uses the same channel for sending and receiving the data, and vice versa. Half duplex mode is less expensive than full duplex mode, as it only requires one communication channel. Full duplex communication means bidirectional communication at the same time or simultaneously. And here in half duplex communication, only one communication channel can be used. Means A can transmit data to B at time t1, and after some time B can transmit data to A with help of same channel. That is the idea of one communication channel. Disadvantages of half duplex mode. In half duplex mode, sender and receiver cannot transmit data at the same time. There is delay between transmission and the reception, which can cause problems in some application. In half duplex mode, there may exist complexity in communication system, as there is need for coordination between transmitter and the receiver. Means there should be proper coordination, proper synchronization between transmitter and the receiver. Next one is full duplex mode. It is also called duplex mode. In full duplex mode, both stations can transmit and receive data simultaneously. It's like two-way street with traffic flowing in both the directions at the same time. Signals going in one direction share the capacity of the link with signals going in other direction, and this sharing can occur in two ways. First one is either link must contain two physically separate transmission paths, one for sending and other for receiving. Means there are two devices A and B. One link is used there for sending and other link is used there for receiving. And second way is that the capacity of the channel is divided between signals traveling in both the direction. There is system A and system B, and channel is used for communication between A and B. In this case, capacity of the channel is divided between signals traveling in both the direction. This part can be used for sending data from A to B, and this part is used for sending data from B to A. So that is division in the channel. Common example of full duplex communication is telephone network. When two people are communicating by telephone line, both can talk and listen at the same time. The full duplex mode is used when communication in both directions is required all the time. And the capacity of the channel, however, must be divided between two directions. In full duplex communication, channel capacity equals to 2 into bandwidth into propagation delay. This is diagram of full duplex mode where computer A can transmit data to computer B at any time and computer B can transmit data to A at any time, or there is a simultaneous transmission of data from A to B and from B to A, either dividing this channel or there is a separate channel for sending and receiving. Means flow of data is there between computer A and computer B in two-way communication, which is also referred as bidirectional communication at any time. Advantages of full duplex mode: it allows for simultaneous bidirectional communication, which is ideal for real-time applications such as audio conferencing or online gaming. Full duplex mode is the most efficient mode of communication as both devices can transmit and receive data simultaneously. Full duplex mode provides a high level of reliability and accuracy as there is no need for error correction mechanism. Disadvantages of full duplex mode: it is most expensive mode as it requires two communication channels, or we need system to divide the capacity of channel for sending and for receiving. It is more complex than simplex and half duplex modes as it requires two physically separate transmission paths or a division of channel capacity, as we have seen in the first point. Full duplex mode may not be suitable for all applications as it requires high level of bandwidth and may not be necessary for some types of communication. For more such videos, stay connected here with this channel. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.